Imagine waking up tomorrow and discovering that someone made more money while they were asleep, using the exact same laptop you already own. Sounds fake? It isn't. Right now, people with zero coding skills are using AI to replace work that used to take entire teams. The scary part? Most people are still using AI to ask random questions, while others are quietly turning it into a full-time income. And today, I'll show you 5 of the simplest ways to do exactly that. Stay until the end because the 5th one is probably the easiest to start, yet hardly anyone talks about it. Number 1. Sell AI-powered services instead of your time. A few years ago, if someone wanted a website, a logo, or marketing copy, they had to hire specialists. Now, one person with AI can do the work of 5. Here's what that looks like. A local business needs social media posts. Instead of spending 6 hours writing them yourself, you use ChatGPT to generate ideas, Claude to improve the writing, Canva AI to create graphics, and schedule everything within an hour. The client still pays you for solving the problem, not for the number of hours you worked. That's a huge mindset shift. One freelancer I know charges over $300 for content packages that take less than an hour to create because AI handles the repetitive parts. You're still adding creativity. You're still managing the client. You're just letting AI carry the heavy backpack. Think about it. Would you rather dig a hole with a spoon or use an excavator? Exactly. And no, clients don't care if AI helped. They care whether the result grows their business. Here's the crazy part. This doesn't stop at writing. You can offer website creation, logo design, resume writing, email campaigns, YouTube scripts, product descriptions, presentation design, AI chatbots. Number 2, build a faceless AI content business. Here's a weird fact. Some YouTube channels making thousands of dollars every single month have never shown a human face. No need for a fancy studio setup. No need for expensive cameras or cinematic lighting. And, sometimes, you don't even need a microphone. AI now handles virtually every technical layer of the creation process. It researches trends, writes engaging scripts, generates human-like voiceovers, and creates crisp, high-definition visuals or dynamic animations tailored specifically to your prompt. Right now, your laptop probably works harder and faster than most office interns. Think about the massive channels you see everywhere explaining personal finance, break down ancient history, or doing 10-minute movie recaps. Look closely next time. A huge percentage of them are built entirely using AI-assisted workflows. Now, you might think, if AI does everything, isn't it easy? Not quite. The real value in this business model isn't just knowing which buttons to press. The real skill and where you win is in topic selection and curation. It's about finding stories, questions, and angles that people actually care about and want to watch. Because while AI can generate endless content, it can't magically turn a fundamentally boring idea into an exciting one. That's still your job. You're the director. AI is just your production crew. And this is where things get really interesting. Once your content starts consistently attracting eyes and building an audience, you're no longer relying on just a single source of income. You've essentially built a digital media asset. Suddenly, you have multiple revenue streams working simultaneously. YouTube AdSense revenue running in the background. High-converting affiliate links placed in your descriptions. Brand sponsorships sliding into your inbox. Digital products, templates, or exclusive community memberships. Think about it this way. Every video you upload acts like a tireless employee working for you 24/7 across every time zone in the world without ever asking for a weekend off or annual leave. Well, except maybe YouTube's algorithm. Number 3, become an AI automation consultant. Now, I know that sounds like a job title reserved for someone with a computer science degree from MIT, but hear me out. It is ridiculously simple. Every single day, local business owners waste hundreds of hours on soul-crushing, repetitive work. Replying to the same emails, manually scheduling appointments, and copying data into spreadsheets. And guess what AI absolutely loves doing? Boring, repetitive work. You don't need to invent new technology or write thousands of lines of code. You simply connect existing tools together like digital Lego blocks. Let me show you how this works in practice right now. Think of Make.com as a digital assembly line for business tasks. Instead of jumping between apps, you build a visual map that connects them together. The moment a customer submits a form, Make grabs that info, passes it to ChatGPT to write a customized reply, logs the lead in Google Sheets, and fires off the email, all in about 3 seconds. Zero typing, zero effort, and the client gets an instant response. Once you set up a simple flow like this, you're not selling software anymore, you're selling saved hours. And business owners gladly pay $500 or more for anything that buys back their time. When your solution saves a company hundreds of dollars and dozens of hours every month, paying you becomes a total no-brainer. Ironically, the boring problems always pay the most. Number 4. Sell AI website packages to local small businesses. If you're a beginner looking for the single biggest opportunity in 2026, this is it. Walk down any street in your local town. Look at the restaurants, the barbershops, the plumbers, or the local gyms. Half of them have website layouts straight out of 2008, and the other half don't have a website at all. Instead of spending 6 months learning complicated coding, you can use AI to build a high-converting, professional website in under 10 minutes. Here's how you do this practically. Head over to an AI site builder like Durable.co and hit Generate Your Website. It's going to ask you 3 basic questions. What's the business type? What's the name? Where are they located? Let's type in Classic Cut Barbershop. Watch what happens. In under 30 seconds, the AI built a full layout. But here's where you come in, the customization layer. Don't like the headline? Click it, hit Regenerate with AI, and pick a punchier tone. Want to match their exact brand? Click Settings, choose a sleek color palette, and the entire site updates instantly. Finally, toggle on the built-in online booking system so their clients can reserve appointments right from their phones. Look at that mobile preview. That looks like a $2,000 custom web design build. You package this up with basic SEO and domain setup, charge $300 to $500 upfront, and deliver the final product the very next day. And here's the secret. Local business owners talk to each other. One happy barber recommends you to the restaurant owner next door, who recommends you to their accountant. That's how freelancers quietly build 6-figure agencies without ever going viral on social media. While everyone else is chasing saturated internet trends, local companies are actively waiting for someone to solve a real, immediate problem. Sometimes, the easiest money isn't hidden, it's just ignored. Notice a common pattern here? None of these ideas require inventing the next ChatGPT. The biggest advantage in 2026 isn't having the smartest AI tool, it's knowing how to use basic AI to solve real-world problems. People don't pay for fancy prompts. They pay for solutions. If even one of these ideas made you think, I could actually do that, hit the like, share, and subscribe button so YouTube knows to show this to more people trying to build a better income. So don't spend the next 6 months watching videos about making money with AI. Spend the next 6 days trying one idea. Because one small action today can completely change what your bank account looks like next year. I'll see you in the next one.